Hey guys, it's your girl Ashley. If you're new to my channel, what's up? So today I wanted to film like a get ready with me. I'm going to be going to like what is it called? It's called Xochimilco, but it's like a party and like a little boat kind of thing. I'm probably gonna try to vlog it and you guys might see it, and if it's up I'll link it down below. But I wish I could record you like my face getting my makeup done while you guys see the background of the ocean, but it wasn't working out for me. I was looking real dark and I couldn't figure out the lighting situation. And then my mom is she's taking a shower, so don't mind that background noise. But I'm just gonna start off using my primer. This is the Bobbi Brown Enriched Primer. So I'm just gonna put this all over my face. Start off by bronzing my face. So I'm using the Morphe M492 brush and my Chanel bronzer. There's only one shade. I think they should come out with more. This is a decent shade for me, but for others it might not be the best. So I think that, you know, by popular demand, they should create more shades. You know what's so funny is that I brought all this makeup with me, but this is maybe the second time that I put makeup on. And I've been here for, let's see, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. It's my 4th day here, I think. Yeah. It's like you pack all this stuff, but you know, sometimes it just becomes useful. So it's better to be overpacked than underpacked for sure. So now I'm going to go ahead and correct my under eyes. I'm using the MYX corrector in the color medium. So I'm using my fingers and I'm just going to apply this underneath the eyes. My mom actually was the one that was like, I really want to go in the ocean. And I was like, I don't want to. I don't know what got me, but I was like, I don't want to. And then I was like, I'm just going to edit. And then I was like, Ashley, you're on vacation. What do you mean you're not going to take this in? Go to the beach. So I did. I caught myself and I was like, what am I doing? I can always edit later. Like, let's go to the beach. I'm not going to be there like all day, you know? So, especially because it's supposed to be raining sometime soon. So I definitely need to take advantage of the fact that it's not raining right now and just enjoy it all in. I'm not even sure if I mentioned what concealer I use. This is the Cover FX in the color P Light 1. Now for foundation, I'm going to do a cocktail. I'm going to be using the Dior Liquid Foundation in the color 1W. And then the Cover FX Power Play Foundation in the color N10. Now this one is way too cool for me. And then this one might be a little bit too warm. So that's why I like to mix it up. Because, I don't know, I just don't like looking too cool. I still can't believe that the other day I basically lost my GoPro. If you guys haven't seen my Explore tour that I did here, you guys need to check that out. I'll put the link down below as well as like right here in the iCard. But oh my gosh, like I didn't get to record. So I started off with ziplining and there's a bunch of zipline to do. Like so much ziplining to do. And then some of the zip lines, when you get there, you're gonna go through some water. So one of the ones of the water is that you have to go under like a tunnel of the water, basically. So you zip line and then to get down, you're gonna go through a tunnel of water, right? I couldn't get my GoPro to work during that moment, so I was like, okay, whatever. So I put it back on the helmet. I had that thing that goes on the helmet. And then I'm like trying to go through the tunnel, and then out of nowhere, I just see this like black strap just going through the water, and I was like, wait a minute. And I started touching my helmet and it wasn't there anymore, and I was freaking out. And then like I wasn't going through the tunnel like how normal people would go, or like some that fly. I just couldn't get the water to really push me, you know, because the thickness over here. So I was like struggling because I was like, I want to try to like, you know, go fast so that I can reach it, but I wasn't going fast enough. So then when I get to my destination down there, I'm like telling the guy like, did you see a GoPro? And he's like, yeah, I thought I saw something. And I'm looking like, well, why didn't you get it, you know? So then I'm like freaking out and I was like, oh my god, can you help me find it, please? And I got a little nervous because when I landed underneath that tunnel, it's like a cave. And, you know, it would be normal if it was just like one way this way. But then when I looked, it's like an open cave going this way too. That's a little bit covered, but like just like the beads that cover like the ocean, for example. And then on this side too. And then I was like, oh hell no. I hope that shit did not go like flying right or left. I hope it just ended up being like here in the center. So then I'm looking and I was like, oh, I think I see something black around here. And then he got his like goggles and started looking for it. He was able to get it right away. And I literally, like, if I had money, I would have gave him a good tip, but I had no cash on me. Like, you're swimming, you don't have anything on you really. And I was just like, thank you so much, because I was about to cry. I was like, no freaking way that this happened to me. I'm gonna go ahead and set underneath my eyes. I'm using the Morphe loose powder in the color pink, and I'm using my Fenty Beauty, and I'm just gonna go ahead and dab some under this, under my eye. At nighttime, you guys, the waves sound so insane. It just sounds like the water's gonna like come in. It's crazy. At the rest of my face, I'm using my MAC Studio Fix powder in the color Sea Teal, and I'm just using this Kevyn Aucoin powder brush. Okay, so time to add some color to my face because I'm looking a little bit like ghostly. So I'm using the Tarte's Pro Glow palette, and I'm just going to be using these two together to add some definition to my carita. And I'm using the Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH02 brush. I'm just going to put this on my cheeks, on my forehead, on my jawline, everywhere, honey. It's literally so windy outside that I was like, you'll have to pick a struggle because it's supposed to be raining maybe tomorrow or so. I'm just hoping that tonight, because the event, they're going to pick us up around 6:30. It takes, place outside. So I was like, if it has to rain, please rain tomorrow and be windy, just windy tonight. That would be lovely. Thank you. Now, time for some blush. I'm using the same palette, but I'm going to be using this one right here. If you guys are planning to come to Cancun, I really tell you guys to take at least a week of vacation while you're here. Because the tours, if you do decide to not just, come, and because some people like to come on vacation and like just chill and be at the beach and at the hotel and like that's that. I'm not that kind of person. I need to do just something. I can't just like be in the hotel all day every day and be at the beach. Like, that's not my kind of vacation. I just need to be doing something, but that's that's just me. But Cancun has so much to offer. It has that to offer if you're like that, where you just chill at your hotel. Just make sure it's all inclusive. That means that you can drink all you want with alcohol. You can also eat all you want, breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, all of it. But what I mean by take a week is if you like to be adventurous like me, with the tours that they have here in Cancun are like almost all day long. So trust me when I say you're going to be so exhausted that you're not going to want to be like, this day I'm going to do explore, the next day I'm going to do savage, the next day I'm going to do Xochimilco, the next day I'm going to, like, it's just, no. You're not going to really get to enjoy because you're going to be so tired from the day before. So what we do is like, we're going to do a tour, then a day off and chill at the beach or, whatever, and then another tour, and then, chill, like, we like to also relax because that's what you came here for, right? For some highlight, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. This is the A23. And again, with the same palette, I'm going to be grabbing this one right here. I'm looking real bronzy right now. I'm digging it. I have not done my eyes while having lash extensions for so long, so this is going to be so interesting for me. So I'm using the MAC Pro Longwear in soft ochre, and I'm just going to use my ring finger, and I'm just going to put this as my base. This feels so weird. Also, the palette that I'm going to be using for today is going to be this one. This is the Too Faced Palm Spring Dreams palette. I usually always go for like these like bronzies, but I think I want to do this one because it's like a pinky bronzy kind of color, and then just go in with the browns to like smoke it out a little bit. But I don't want to do anything too crazy. With the JH31 brush, I'm going to go in with this color here that's called She's Lit, which is like a pinky, peachy kind of color, and I'm just going to go ahead and put this on my crease. This is such a pretty color. With the same brush, I'm going to grab this color right here. It's called Saucy and Bossy. And I'm just going to, again, apply this on the crease. But this time also putting it on the outer corner of the eye as well. With a flat eyeshadow brush like this one, I'm going to grab this color right here that's called Buzzkill. And this is going to be my eyelid shade. All over the eyelid area. This palette smells good. I love the fact that Too Faced, all their palettes, well most of their palettes are like scented. I remember the first ever Too Faced product that I bought was the chocolate bar. And it smelled so heavenly. I'm going to try to use my finger instead, and I feel like it's going to be easier and a better application than me trying to use the brush. And I don't know if that's just because I have eyelash extensions or also just because typically when I don't have eyelash extensions, I would put like concealer on the lid so that this can really stick to and pop a little bit more. But I mean, it's a little harder when you have lash extensions. Back with the JH31 brush, I'm just gonna go ahead and make sure I blend the crease here because some of that glitter went up the crease and it's looking a little bit funny. With a M506 brush, I'm just gonna go ahead and grab the color Saucy and Bossy, and I'm just gonna put this underneath my waterline. And I already did my brows off camera because my camera was like overheating, so I decided to just, you know, use my time wisely. I'm going to be a little bit adventurous. So I'm going to use this M224 brush, which is really a concealer brush, but I'm going to grab some of the Dirty Martini, which is this like gold yellow color. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply this on the inner corner of the eye as my like pop of color, my little highlight right here. That's basically it for the eyeshadow. I'm going to be applying mascara on my lower lashes. This is the L'Oreal Voluminous, like this is the OG mascara, but this is waterproof and it's in the color black. Let's go ahead and move on to the lips. And I'm sorry, I feel like so weird. I haven't filmed a like makeup video in a minute, and then especially like I'm out of my element, you know, of like filming and stuff. So yeah. Anyways, I'm going to be using the MAC lip liner. This is in the color Subculture. So I'm just going to go ahead and line/fill in my lips. For lipstick, again, I'm going to be using a MAC one. This is the color Try Again, which I think was limited edition, but it's one of my favorites because it's such a nice and pretty brown. So I'm just going to hit it all over my lips. And lately my lips have been so dry and crusty, but whatever. Alright, so let me just go ahead and do my hair and change, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm changed and my hair is done. And this is the final look of my makeup look. It's nothing too crazy. I feel like I usually always do my face about the same. It's just the eyes, you know. It has a little bit of glitter and just a little bit of a pop. This is like my go-to lip color, so nothing too crazy. But yeah, this is the look. Let me show you guys my outfit real quick. Very quickly, this is my outfit of the day. And of course, I'm not going to be wearing my socks. I'm gonna put some like cute little booties on. And also, if you guys are an OG to my channel, you'll recognize this outfit. This is the first time I actually wear out this outfit, but I actually put this piece together on my first ever plus size fashion video that I did. This is the outfit that I put together, and I'm finally wearing it out. So this is what I'm gonna be wearing. I have some shorts under because, you know, this has a cut and all. And let me show you guys the view before I say goodbye. Such an amazing view, and the sun is starting to set a little bit. You can see through the clouds. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Comment down below, let me know what kind of videos you guys would like me to see next. Tell me what is the place that you want to go on vacation at. Comment down below. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. I post little previews of what I'm filming and all that goody good stuff. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.